So we got a toilet that's just this funky fill valve is just not, it's not shutting off. But look at this angle stop right here. I've never seen anything like this. And look. They're under here too.
How is it?
What the heck? But you pull it out.
And it just stops.
But I can still hear it. You hear it hissing?
Yeah, I can.
It's like it's not quite shutting off.
Maybe. Yeah, that's true.
I can hear it hissing back there. Is it just you and your grandma here?
No, me, my grandma, my sister, and my mom.
I think what I need to do is shut the building water off, because I don't know. I've never seen. I don't know how this works. I don't know what's behind this. But I just got to make sure before I take this hose off. Oh, but I need to replace this hose as well, because this hose is leaking. Wait, what the heck is this, man? What is this? All right.
Yeah.
So I got to see, the hose right here is leaking. It's just it's barely dripping. See?
Yeah. Oh, I see.
But so I'm gonna have to take this little escutcheon off. Can I shut the building water down real quick?
Let me ask my grandma. 奶奶能把我们房子的，你确定不会把别的房子的水给弄坏吗？关咱们房间，妈妈马上就。
What the heck? Look at this funky film.
Ask my mom.
Okay, all right. It's I have to shut it off because I gotta.
Yeah.
The fact that's hissing back there is telling me that it's
yeah.
not. Yeah. So I don't know how to get this off because. I mean, is it like a split ring? I mean, what's going on here? Can you see back there at all?
I need a flashlight. I kind of see.
I should have brought my flashlight. But this needs to come off because.
Oh, I see something to twist right here.
That's the hose.
Yeah.
Maybe this comes off.
Somehow, but I see like a thing connecting it to the back, which I can't see behind it.
Should I get let me get my flashlight. Well, you're smart enough, that's for sure.
Oh yeah. This is way clearer.
So it looks like there's a little, like electrical boxes are put in little plastic things like that.
Yeah.
You see that little plastic box in there?
Yeah, I see that red plastic box.
So what I need to get off is this. Can you see what this is attached to?
I'm trying right now.
Does that help?
I do. I do. It's.
Does it look like something I can take off?
No.
Yikes. How do they expect us to change this hose? I mean, this is.
That's stiff. Like, yeah, you can't twist that.
No, see the little. See that right there?
Yeah.
We gotta unthread that somehow.
Oh, that's hard.
Because this hose is leaking. You can see the water on my fingers?
Yeah.
It's leaking right here. I'm gonna have to cut this off. I mean, it's plastic, and I don't know. This is crazy. I mean, the hose is leaking. I mean, who the heck would install such an absurd thing? I mean, seriously, what the heck is this? I don't even know if I want to touch it, to be honest with you. blows my mind is that there's no way to unthread this. There's no way to take this off. I mean, this got to be something off of Amazon. It has to be. Because there's no way to take this off, to get this discussion off. So it's got to be something Amazon cheapy. It's got to be. Because I don't know. I mean, there's just no way this is made in America. There's no way. I mean, this is crazy. I mean, the effort to get this off is just completely absurd. Look, and it's still, I still gotta cut that right there. And this is absolutely nuts. There you go. And now, how am I supposed to get that hose off of there? There just ain't no way this is American made. All that for just to take this off. So that, oh shoot. Well, works. So we got it all off. Fill valve is in.
Oh boy. It's gonna be so hard replacing the other ones if they get...
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. I mean, think about it, because these will fail eventually. And when they do...
It's gonna be a nightmare to fix all of them.
You said it perfectly, Cyrus. You said it perfectly. All I can say is, Cyrus, when you become an engineer, do not engineer this. All right?
Yeah, of course.
Promise me. Because this is not good. Okay, we got the thing on here. My man Cyrus is gonna stay up here, watch it. I'm gonna go turn on the water downstairs. All right, here I go, Cyrus. Here I go. Holy cow. Something else, man. Okay. Hey, Cyrus, can you hear me? Okay, here I go. I don't hear any screaming. Thank you. Okay. It's a big old water, man. What is that, 1.25 inches? Yeah, it is. There you go. What a nightmare. Thanks, Amazon. Temu Plumbing.
I felt it and it wasn't...
No leaks.
Yeah. And plus the water's on because... Oh!
You can just, I just have that on. There you go, yep. Those are on. So to turn this on, we just press that in. Why is it not going in? There you go.
Holy
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Okay. That was really hard to push in. So now we just. All right.
Oh boy.
You just get it. There you go. Good job. Good job.
Whoa.
What in the world?
What is happening?
That should not happen.
Oh, I think it's just water pressure. It's really hard.
It was getting air out of there.
Yeah. It's really hard to water. Crazy.
That is, I'm telling you right now, that's not how any of this should go. Honestly. I don't see any leaks. It's just dusty. Wow.
Is it because it lets up to the nose?
I don't know. I really don't know. I mean, that would signify to me that there's water in the system. I'm sorry, air in the system. Watch this.
Yeah.
Oh, there. Okay. No, see, it's doing it. I think it's just getting air out is what it's doing. I think it's just because it did it less that time. Did you notice how it only did it once that time?
So we flush it again?
Yeah, once it fills, we'll flush it again. So it's that little air thing is happening down here too. Watch. We're in the downstairs bathroom now. Watch. It just did it.
Oh my god.
Did it not, Cyrus?
Yeah, it did. It did do it.
It's not doing it now.
Oh!
It did it a little bit right there. It's not doing it now. I don't know.
Sister Gossip just fixes really quickly for no weird reason.
Alright, well.
And why is there still a tag on that too?
Yeah, I mean, some guys leave that. That's not that big of a deal, but I pity the owners when all these angle stops start leaking or they need to change the hoses. I really do feel sorry for the owners because that's gonna be a major nightmare.